Good morning, second grade. I have guests with us today. We have Iron Man and Spider-Man. We're doing our lesson today, lesson 155, and that's pages 309 and 310. Now, we're going to talk about geysers. Yesterday on your math page, you noticed that there was a geyser. What is a geyser? A geyser is a spring, a hot spring that would shoot up from the sky, and you could find one in Yellowstone National Park. It is called Old Faithful. Look it up. Actually, I might look it up and show it to you, a picture of it. So usually the geysers will erupt. Sometimes it depends. Sometimes it's every 10 minutes. Some of them are a little bit longer, but they shoot up high in the sky. So I have an activity that Spider-Man and Iron Man are going to do for us. So I have in this bowl something, and they have liquid that they're going to pour into the bowl, and we're going to see if it shoots up like a geyser. Hopefully it will work. Are you two ready, Spider-Man and Iron Man?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and pour your liquid into the bowl. We'll see what happens. Pour it quickly. Gotta pour it quickly. Oh, so look at that.
It has glitter in it.
Look at that. So our geyser, it did erupt. However, let me show you what a geyser actually looks like. I'll show you a picture of one so you can get a better view. All right, so here is
Glitter in it.
a picture of a geyser. So it would, if you notice there, it starts out small and then it shoots up high in the sky. Let me look at give you another one. Here's another one. So this is another picture. Let me see if I can
It has
get
glitter.
better of it.
I didn't know
we'll
real
do-
geysers
we'll
actually
do-
have glitter.
Now,
in it.
real geysers don't have glitter in it. But here's one. This is one. I don't know if you can see that there. Don't touch the table, Spidey. So this is one has not erupted yet. So, but it's getting ready to erupt, and it will erupt, and it erupts, and it looks like this. So there is it. It's erupting. Okay, so that was our fun little experiment for today. Now we're gonna start off by playing a game with Spidey and. All right, so Spidey and Iron Man, how about you two get away from the. We're gonna go ahead and play our Connect 4 today. Hopefully you can be you will be able to participate, and we'll have half. You pick your team, what team you want to be on. You can either be Team Spider-Man or you could be Team Iron Man.
You know everybody likes
Team Spider-Man! The correct answer, they will put it in. Here we go. All right.
Wait, give me a second.
Whoever answers first. Hurry.
It's the pick.
Okay, ready? Spider-Man, come on over. Ready? Here we go. 5 times 6. Whoever answers first. 5 times 6.
25.
No. Iron Man, count by 5, 6 times.
30.
30. All right, Iron Man, pick a color. Are you red or white?
Red.
All right, Iron Man. Okay, put yours in. Okay, next one. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. Count by 2s until you get to 10.
5.
5. All right, Iron Man got it. Iron Man got it. Good job. All right. Okay, next one. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 equal.
17.
17. All right, Spidey. Next one. 9 times 5. 9 times 5. Count by 5. 9 times.
35. 45.
45. Iron Man got it. Good job. Okay, next one. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7.
5.
All right, Iron Man got it. And we have a winner. We have 4 in a row. All right, good job, good job. Let's go ahead and we'll play one more round. All right, here's the next one. All right, next one is 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4.
13.
All right, yes, Spidey, go ahead, fill yours in. 9 plus 4. Next one, 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8.
15.
Spidey, put yours in. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3.
12.
Spidey. Spidey, put another one. Hurry. Okay, 3 times 5. 3 times 5.
15. 40.
Oh, Spidey got it. So we have 1-1. We better do one more round. All right, let's do one more round. All right, here we go.
You're gonna get crushed. No, you are.
Here we go. Ready?
Oh, baby.
All right. 7 plus 3 plus 4. 7 plus
14.
Oh, it was a tie.
I go first.
Next one. 7 plus 8 plus 5.
19.
No.
No. 18.
Iron Man.
What did you say?
7 plus 8 plus 5.
Oh.
20. All right, Iron Man got it.
Sorry.
Next one. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. 13. Iron Man got it. Next one. 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. All right, Spidey.
Oh. Sorry, Mommy.
16 minus 7. 16 minus 7.
6.
16 minus 7 equals
7. No, wait. 16 minus 7.
9. Spidey got it.
Yes.
Next one. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7.
10 3.
3. All right, Iron Man got it. 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12.
18. Wait. 17.
Let me give another one because Iron Man wasn't ready. 3 plus 8.
11.
Spidey. You're wet. Spidey.
I can see something.
Let's see what happens. Shh, Micah, don't say anything. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3.
Oh,
All right, Iron Man got it, and he blocked Spidey, who wasn't paying attention. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9. All right, Iron Man got it. 18 minus 9. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8.
20.
Yes, Spidey.
I wasn't ready.
You got your attention. Next one. 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9.
16.
Yes, Spidey.
Aha.
All right, next one. 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5.
18. 16.
Iron Man got it. 16. It was 16. All right, let's see. Okay, let me give you another one. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. Count by 2s until you get to 10.
14.
Count by 2s. 5. Count by 2s then. Spidey. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
And I.
Here we go.
Wait.
Oh, and we have a winner. Good job. Good job. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, now, today, Spidey and Iron Man, they're going to sit with us. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to talk about 1/3 of a group. 1/3 of a group. But before we find a third, Iron Man, have a seat. Iron Man, get a grip. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to count by 4s to 48. Iron Man, how would you like to exercise to count by 4s?
Wait, what?
Okay, we're going to dab Iron Man,
How come I?
and you get to do the next one, but you need to stop acting like that. Okay, ready? All right, Iron Man, you're in our blockage, so we can't see. So come on over this way. Okay, look in the screen, Iron Man. Come see yourself. Here we go. Ready? Count. Dab it out. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and look at our 14 family. Spidey, what would you like to do?
Boss.
All right, so you're going to floss as we go through the answers. Ready? Begin. 14 minus 0 equals 14. 14 minus 1 equals 13. 14 minus 2 equals 12. You can look at me. 14 minus 3 equals 11. 14 minus 4 equals 10. I don't hear you, Spidey. 14 minus 5 equals 9. 14 minus 6 equals 8. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 14 minus 10 equals 4. 14 minus 11 equals 3. 14 minus 12 equals 2. 14 minus 13 equals 1. 14 minus 14 equals 0. Good job. Now we're going to go ahead. You guys can look at the board. We're going to talk about 1/3 of a group. So we're going to talk about 1/3 of a group. And if you notice here, I have some flowers that we need to find 1/3 of. Now, can you come up and write the fraction 1/3 for me? And let's just write it underneath. 1/3, the fraction 1/3. You wrote it backwards. Oh, the other way. Good. All right, so we have 1/3. So we had our fraction 1/3. Good job. Now we want to find how. Obviously, we're going to have how many groups, Spidey?
3.
There will be 3 groups. Now we need to see how many are in each of those 3 groups. So we have to count up all of our flowers. Mr. Spidey, come count up all of our flowers and write the answer next to the word of. So start at the top.
3, 6, 9, 12, 14.
Wait a minute, try again.
I mean,
3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Each one counts for 1. 1,
3, 6,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15.
All right, so there are 15. Go ahead, Spidey, write 15. Okay, so 1/3 of 15. Good. Now, how can we figure out how to put these into 3 groups? If you have 1/3, what do? We count by
3.
3s until we get to 15. Let's count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And my answer is how many in each group? 5 are in each group. So, Spidey, come take 5 flowers and put them in a group. Come take 5 flowers, Mystery Man, and put them in a group. And then I'll take the last 5 and put them in a group.
Because you have 15.
You only need 5, so you should only have 5. Put them in a group.
Get 5
So do you have 5? Do you have 5 in your group? Let me see. What are you doing, Spidey? Looks like you're losing it. I think you're losing it, Spidey.
There's 5 plus 5 plus 9.
Good. Sorry. Okay.
He's falling. This second.
Okay, so we have our group. So Spidey did his group. So here's his group of 5. Here's my group of 5. And here's Mystery Man that you can't see to the very end's group of 5. Very good. So he's going to back up and have a seat. Good. So we have 1, 2, 3 groups and 5 in a group. Now let's look at the apples here. Let's look at the apples. Count out the apples with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to find 1/3 of 6. How do I figure that out? Spidey, do you remember? Count by 3s until you get to
6.
3, 6. And I would put 2 in each of the groups. Good, so I have 2, 1 group of 2. Good, now the last thing that we're going to talk about this word. What is this word? This is division. This is division.
Division is divided by.
It is divided by. It's the opposite of times. Multiplication. Opposite. So when we have division, the bigger number is always first, and this number tells what we're counting by. So if I have this as my answer, I'm going to count by 3s until I get to 3. Count with me. 3. So how many times did I have to count by 3s to get to 3? 1. Come write it up, Mystery Man. Spidey, are you going to be Mystery Man number 2? You're not going to show me your face. Okay, Mystery Man number 2. Count by 3s until you get to 9. Thank you. Count by 3s until you get to 9. Yeah. Your eyes are a little crooked. Okay, here we go. Count by 3s until you get to 9. And then Mystery Man, you're going to do the bottom one. Count by 3s until you get to 24. Okay, count by 3s until you get to 9. 3, 6, 9.
3, 6, 9.
And my answer is? Good. Oh, man. Okay, and then Mystery Iron Man. I'm not sure what that was. That looks like a... Good. All right, good job. Spidey did an excellent job. And then Iron Man, come on up. Count by 3s until you get to 24. Count by 3s until you get to 24. Count by 3s until you get to 24. And there is a video that you can listen to today that has a song that will help you remember your counting by threes family for your multiplication and division. It's a catchy song, but you'll have to wait to listen to it. 24. All right, so 24 divided by 3 is, are you sure? That's not what you said. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 8. So your answer would have been 8. Good job. All right, so you two go ahead. You two are for your All right, so the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. You guys can go ahead and go finish your page.
Dad, am I creepy?
Oh, wait, come on over. Okay, they're going to reveal who they are. All right, so we have Iron Man. Iron Man, who are you?
First.
We have Micah here with us today.
Yeah.
Everybody say hi, Micah. Spidey. Most of you probably know who Spidey is, but who do you think it is today?
Only Isabel and Micah know.
All right, who is it, Spidey? Who are you? All right, Benjamin is here with us today, too. All right, so you two go. All right, let's go ahead and look at our math page today. You guys can go ahead. They squish them together. So look at your backpacks there. They want you to count up the backpacks, write 1/3. So there are 9 backpacks. You would do 1/3 of 9. And then, of course, count by 3s until you get to 9. That will give you your groups, but you only circle one of those groups or color them in. Then go ahead and look at number 5. They want you to measure your trout, measure it in inches. And then on page 310, here is our division that we talked about today. So remember, you're counting by 3s until you get to the answer. However many times you counted by 3s, that's your answer. So we did a few of them already for you, so that would help you out there. And everything else, you should be able to figure out. I hope this was helpful and that you have a great day.